I'm Utah Governor Spencer Cox, and I'm excited to welcome you to the White Mesa Mill for this special open house event. I'm sorry I can't be there in person, but wanted to share some of the incredible things happening in southeastern Utah. This weekend, San Juan County will be the best place on earth to witness the solar eclipse. So if you are staying in Blanding for the celestial show, I hope you'll take time to explore this scenic part of Utah with its many cultural, recreational, and natural wonders. Also, placing southeastern Utah on the international map is the impressive work taking place here at White Mesa Mill. With more attention than ever being paid to clean energy technologies like electric vehicles and nuclear power, the world is now learning about how the White Mesa Mill is bringing the production and processing of clean energy materials back to U.S. soil. Our country is in the midst of a generational shift in how we harness and use the vast energy resources available to us to power our homes, schools, and businesses while reducing carbon emissions. As we seek the right mix of energy sources for the future, we must work to minimize impacts on the environment while also ensuring we have access to reliable and affordable energy. While renewable sources like wind and solar have an important role to play in our ongoing energy needs, Utahns want to feel confident that electricity will flow even when the sun isn't shining and the wind isn't blowing. And critically, we must ensure that America can produce our own energy without relying on foreign powers like Russia and China. As you hear from company leaders and tour the mill today, you will soon discover that you are in the place where the nuclear cycle begins, the mining and milling of natural uranium. Energy Fuels and the White Mesa Mill play a critical role in domestic energy generation by safely producing the uranium needed to power nuclear reactors. And they do all of this while constantly focusing on the safety of their employees and local communities. Today's nuclear reactors generate an incredible amount of electricity around the clock and in every season, with virtually no carbon emissions. Indeed, nuclear energy is America's largest source of carbon-free electricity by a large margin, and it is all powered by uranium produced at facilities like the White Mesa Mill. Recently, the mill innovated to diversify its operations to produce rare earth elements. Rare earths are critical building blocks for various clean energy and advanced technologies, from electric vehicles to wind turbines to military and defense technologies. The people at the White Mesa Mill are moving faster than anyone I'm aware of to restore these critical capabilities in the United States. And the significance of the White Mesa Mill extends beyond its role in critical minerals. It's also an important economic engine for southeastern Utah, generating good jobs, local tax revenue, and opportunities for those who are lucky enough to call this special part of our state home. I am grateful to the Utahns who produce the critical elements needed for clean energy, advanced technologies, and military and defense requirements. Thank you for your commitment to being part of our shared work to build a clean energy future, and I hope you enjoy your time at the White Mesa Mill.